On today's video, we're going to be doing a smoked candy spam. You heard that right. Let's get to it. So here you have it. We have a thing of spam. We have a little bit of brown sugar. We got Mike's hot honey and a little bit of rub. So I saw this on Instagram first, then went to YouTube. One person did it. Looked really good, and I needed to try it. So we're going to try it today and see how it goes. You guys can let me know in the comments if this is something that you guys saw, have seen, or something you guys think about, will think about doing. But let's get to it. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and open this up. All right, the way we're going to cut it is, the one that I saw had a little thing that cuts it for them. So they were perfect sizes. So I say something about that size. About this size is how I saw it. So we're going to do all of it about that size. Alright, so here you have it. We're going to put these down like that. They're not perfectly cut, but it's okay. So the video that I saw, you put brown sugar first, then the honey, then the rub on top. Now what I'm going to do is a little bit different, is I'm going to add the rub first, so it can, and they're only adding one side. So I'm guessing because they're so thin, you don't want to add too much. So we're going to go ahead and put these. Actually, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put them here so I don't have to move them after. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our rub first. Just enough to go on top. Just like that. Now we're going to add our brown sugar to the whole piece. Make sure it kind of covers the whole thing. Now, like I said, the video that I saw, it looked good. So I needed to try it. It's like this is something that might be really good. I've never really seen it. All right, now we're gonna add our hot honey. Okay, let's add our honey in there. We're on M, facing left or right. All right, so how are we gonna cook these bad boys? We're gonna put these on the pit boss for 300 degrees. They had it, they say 1 hour. And so we're gonna put these exactly for just 1 hour. So we're not gonna touch them, we're not gonna look at them. We're gonna put them in there for 1 hour. So that being said, let's fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is at 300 degrees. Let's put these bad boys in there. And we'll be back in 1 hour. All right, this has been there for 1 hour. It's looking good. We'll be back. All right, here you have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so here you have it. Now we have a few that got a little bit burned, but those were the thin pieces. All the normal size pieces that I cut normal came out perfect. But even though these are still gonna be good, but like I said, it smells really good. Like everything looks good. I'm gonna pick this piece right here. It's the one that I'm gonna go with, and see if it's what the verdict is. Let's go ahead and try it. This is good. This is really good. I never thought of Spam in the smoker. The sweetness with the honey, the barbecue rub. This is really good. I can't stop eating it. Wow. Let me get one of these that look a little bit more crispy. Unexpected. Wow. Okay. This is good. We're having a nice barbecue out there and you want to make more sides, you know, that people will like. You know, this is very cheap. Cheap to make. You do it in there. I mean, you still have that little saltiness because Spam is salty. So it's not like I can eat all this. But if I was making like some brisket, you had some sides, this is something I can do too. Some mac and cheese. This is not bad, as you can see. Wow. I'm gonna stop eating these. Definitely try this. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about doing smoked Spam, but it's not bad. You have the sweetness and you have the saltiness because Spam is salty. So you have a bit of both. It's really good. You can't go wrong. Another great thing that I found on Instagram, then I went to YouTube. It's there. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and now we'll see you guys next time. Wow. It's not bad. You guys should try this. Kimmy. I forgot, but I got the little piece. I knew I was going to forget too. 1 hour. So we're just going to...
Dude, the 300-degree pit boss again. Bye.
So how are we going to cook these bad boys?
I'm telling you,
Oh, he said go ahead.
Boom.